In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently duplicate a page within your Canva project. Whether you're working on a presentation, flyer, or digital content, this simple process will save you time and help maintain consistency across your designs. Let's start by going to your Canva project. Once you've opened your project, you'll notice that on the sidebar to the left, you can see all the pages that comprise your work. This layout allows you to navigate swiftly through your project and focus on the specific sections you need to edit or duplicate. Now look down towards the panel displaying miniature versions of each page, usually found beneath the main editing screen. These are laid out in a sequential order, replicating the flow of your project. Identify the page you wish to duplicate. This step might involve a quick scroll if you're working with a multi-page document, but once you spot the desired page, you're ready for the next part. Once you've selected the page you want to duplicate, simply click on it. You'll immediately see a series of options appear. What you're looking for is symbolized by a neat cluster of 3 dots, often located in the top right corner of the page thumbnail. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This action will reveal a drop-down menu offering various commands related to page management. From this menu, find the option tagged as Duplicate Page. Clicking this option will initiate the duplication process instantly. The duplicated page will appear right after the original one, maintaining its position and content intact. This method is particularly useful because it ensures that any formatting, images, text, or settings you've meticulously applied to the original page are preserved in the new copy. And just like that, you're done. This simple process allows you to create multiple pages for consistent layouts or repeated content without starting from scratch each time. This function can be a real lifesaver, especially if you're aiming for a uniform look throughout a document or when you're incrementally building on concepts across pages. Remember, this feature isn't limited to just visuals or text. It preserves every aspect of formatting, meaning any custom adjustments like font size, color schemes, or image positions will be duplicated precisely. This accuracy lets you replicate pages with the peace of mind that everything will look exactly as intended. So that's it for duplicating pages in Canva. This skill can become a cornerstone of your design workflow, streamlining the process and freeing up more time for creativity. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Don't forget to explore such features within Canva. They are designed to make your tasks simpler and more effective. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!